Thanks for stopping into the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. Go to our website, perfectstormtrading.com, if you would like a chance to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package. Go to our website. You will get a pop-up box on the front page. You can drop your first name and your email in, send it to us. We will send you one email back with instructions on how to enter the contest. We will not spam your email, nor will we pass your email on to anyone else. So if you want to get a shot at getting into this contest, go to perfectstormtrading.com and sign up on our website. Here we are, last day in July 2021. Moving into August, here is the updated Astro Excel chart for the whole month. This is a standalone tool that comes with a Perfect Storm Book and Indicator package. It's created in Excel and converted into an app that is locked to your computer. And what this does, this gives you the chart for the month. You can see the month of August here. It also gives you a chart for the week. Here's the weekly chart starting on 8/1. Gives you a little dialed in closer look at the green line, blue line. It will also give you the 2-hour chart. It gives you the 12-hour charts for the day, the first and second part of the day, and then the first chart on the sheet is a single day, the full 24-hour day from midnight to midnight. So there's for 8/1 Sunday, and there's a pull down tab. You click it in. I'm going to drop it in and put it on 8/2 to get a look at Monday. You can see it's a large file. It takes a couple of seconds to recalculate, and there you get the look at Monday 8/2. So you've got the green line, which is the bigger picture, the blue line, which is basically the moon, and then the gray line, which are the fast movers. Back down to the monthly chart, looking at the whole month of August. You can see we have a peak on the first on the green line. We're down into the second. Peak on the fourth, down on the fifth at about 1600 hours. We move back up to a high on 8/7. You can see when I hold the cursor on the green line, it gives me the time of the day where that high comes in. And then when you want to zoom in on this, you can go right to the day chart or the 12-hour chart, and you get the exact time where you're going to make these peaks and valleys. Then we're kind of pushing down all the way to the 10th. Back up, we have like a quadruple top between the 12th and the 13th. We go back down to the 14th. We triple bottom. Then again on the 15th and here on the 17th. Then we have a big swing up to the 18th. We're down to the 20th, and then we make our astrological high for the month on the 21st. And then we have what looks like a pretty strong down push into the 29th of the month, and then we push back up to the 31st. So that kind of gives you a look at the Excel tool and what you can do with that and how that works. So now to close this video out, I want to go back to the harmonic chart that I put out on yesterday's video. I just want to show a couple more things from that, because this is a concept that you can really take a long way and get a lot of mileage with, even with just the most basic understanding of the harmonics and the structure of where this comes from. But now we use this swing as our measure of price and time, and now I'm going to take this. We have 12 days, 12 trading bars and 18 days in time. Now I stretched this out and gave you the big picture on the beat harmonic, and that gave us the high before that down move, 144 bars out, which was right here at this high. That gave us a nice 2.5 week downtrend. But what I didn't show you was just the simple third harmonic of price and time. So we have the 12 and the 18 trading days in bars. What happens if we just go out to the third harmonic? So let's take 36 bars, which puts us at this low right here. It triggers a couple of days up move. And if we go out to 54 days, we come to this high right here. So there's our third harmonic in calendar days. So we've got to get that going in price and time. You can use this both ways. You can also use this as a vector calculation. If you can do price time combinations, it's just basically the Pythagorean theorem with the time scale and the price scale, and you're working out the angle, the measurement of angle. So to close this out, I'm going to leave you with a little puzzle to solve. If we take the initial measurement and use that as the first tone interval of an octave, which was 12 trading days, when you realize that we can use the trading days or the calendar days, now I've got a measurement out here of the 144 bars also. Now what happens if you take the first interval, that measurement of 12 trading days and 18 calendar days, what happens if you take the first tone and convert that into an octave, and then you use the ratios of the fa and the la tones, because those are the points in the market where you're going to get your key support and resistance reversal points. So I want you to take that concept and think about that and try to apply that to the market. That's going to give you a lot of good information and a lot of points similar to the ones that I've illustrated in this video. So take a look at that, play around with that if you're not familiar with the Gurdjieff work, or if you haven't seen my GAN Science book where I document all this. You can easily search that online, look up John Keeley, take a look at the SVP wiki. You'll get more ideas, and then you can work on your personal ability to translate and apply this to the market. So that's it for today, and we'll be back again with another video. We'll talk to you soon.